been, first of all, great, wonderful people here. The conference is run very smooth, and for our time commitment, it's been extremely valuable. So it's been a great experience. Every meeting has been great, and there was a lot of benefit from the work done ahead of time to match up what our company really specializes in doing and what the provider goals were. And so the conversations were on point and meaningful and felt like they were valuable for both parties. Anyone who wants to have the meaningful discussions that really matter and can move the ball forward with providers, it's a complex environment to work in, and so I definitely would recommend it and encourage people to get out there and have meetings. It's awesome.
Well, this is our first time here, and we've been amazed actually at the access we've had to a lot of the top leaders that are looking for solutions and really interested in learning more about what's out there. It's been great so far. One of the things we consulted on was who we wanted to speak to and who was really interested in this space, and we were able to match us with exactly the right people here. And we will definitely be back in future years, absolutely.
The event's been just a fantastic experience. The Millennium Alliance has been a great program for NRC Health, a chance to connect with industry experts and get closer to our customers. So we appreciate the opportunity to be at a great location with a fantastic group of people.